Guys, I think we've done it. In the video I uploaded last week, we used ChatGPT to find a profitable trading strategy, which actually only had a 20% win rate. We then refined it, added a few more indicators, and made it a whole lot better. And in last week's video, I got it up to a 70% win rate. Now, since then, I've been working in the background, testing a lot of different things, a lot of different indicators to see what I can do with this trading strategy. And we've now managed to get it up to a 90.36% win rate with a profit factor of 4.62. That means for every $1 you risk, you're making back $4.6. So at the moment, this is looking like an insanely profitable trading strategy. So in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what I've done since last week and how we've got to the stage we're at today. I'm also going to be telling you all of the different indicators that I've used to build this trading strategy. And I'm also going to be using ChatGPT to automate this entire process so that every single time there's a buy or a sell signal on TradingView, it's automatically going to be placed inside of my trading terminal, such as MetaTrader 4 or my futures trading account. So this is absolutely insane. If you guys enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you also want access to this indicator, then click that link down below to join the community, because I'm going to be giving it away to all of the members inside of the community for completely free. So first, let me break down the strategy for you and tell you all of the indicators that go inside of this mega indicator that is helping us with our entry, exit, stop loss, TP, everything, right? So first of all, we have two EMAs, that's exponential moving averages, one fast one and one slow one. The fast one is this blue one right here. Then we have a slow one, which is red one right here. After that, we have a 50 period exponential moving average. Now this acts as our trend filter, so we only take longs above it and shorts when we're below it. So this yellow line is our 50 period right here. After that, we have volume weighted average price, which is this blue line right here. So again, this one and the 50 period moving average is kind of like our bias. If we're above it, we're taking longs. If we're below it, we're taking shorts. We're using the fast EMAs as our entry confirmations. So when we get the crossover, we're then looking for our entry. Also, we have the RSI, which is the relative strength index, which you can't see on the screen here because it is consumed inside of the indicator itself. So it measures the momentum to confirm the strength in the trend. Apart from that, we also have the ADX, which is the average directional index, which measures the trend strength. And you can't see this on the chart because it is all consumed inside of the code, inside of this one mega indicator. And then last but not least, we have the ATR, which is the average true range. And we use this for our stop loss and also our take profit. The ATR measures volatility, and we use that in conjunction with market structure to actually determine where we're going to be putting our stop losses. Essentially, that is all of the indicators that are encompassed inside of this mega indicator. So if we took apart our indicator that we've built and brought forward all of the indicators that are encompassed inside of it, this is how our chart would look. As you can see, it's extremely messy. There's a lot of things going on, and it would be very difficult to try and analyze where we're going to be taking our entry, exit, take profits, and all of that stuff. So as we can see, once we remove all of that mess off of our chart and we turn our indicator on, it makes things nice and simple. All we have is a simple long position marked onto the chart every time we need to take a long, and then we also have the same thing for a short. We also get told where the trailing stop losses are. And if you also want to start using these as signals for yourself, you can turn on the setting, which is going to show you where to put the stop losses and the take profits all in one go. So this way, it makes it a lot more easier for us to digest. We don't have to look at a ton of different indicators. We just get told when to enter, when to exit, where to put our trading stop losses, and it's nice and simple. So essentially, when we're looking for a long entry, what we want is the 5 EMA to cross above the 13 EMA. The price also has to be above the 50 EMA and also above the VWAP, because this way it confirms to us that we are bullish and we are looking for long positions. The RSI also has to be above 55. Again, guys, if you did want access to this indicator, then click that link down below to join the VIP group, because I'm going to be giving it away to all of the members inside of there for completely free. It's going to tell you when to enter, exit, stop loss, take profit, everything, so you don't have to. And we're going to be taking it one step further, where we're going to be making it completely autonomous. So if you're not part of the community yet, click that link down below, join today. And the ADX also has to be above 15. All of these confirmations put together, check, 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 and then we can enter a position, and that is when we get this long printed. So again, makes life so much easier that we don't have to work all of these things out ourselves. We just wait for this to ping on the chart, and that's it. We can look for our entry. So it's the same on the flip side if we were taking a short position, and I actually took one just the other day, which was right here. So this was a super clean. So again, two shorts back to back that played out in our favor. So we had the fast EMA cross below the slow EMA, indicating that there is bearish momentum shift. Price to be below the 50 EMA and the VWAP, because then again it's confirming that we are bearish. The RSI below 45 and the ADX is above 15, and this ensures that we are in line with the trend. And that's it. We get this short position printed on the chart. Bang, we're moving, entered, we've printed some money. In terms of the stop losses, they are based on market structure and the ATR band, and that way we are giving it a little bit of wiggle room along with market structure to make sure that we are always staying below key highs and lows. And in terms of take profits, we've got sort of a fluid system for the take profit. We've got a trailing stop loss, as you can see right there, and what this does is it ensures that if price does move against us, we can then secure some profits, and then essentially we're going break even, so we're taking risk completely off the table. There's a lot more that goes into it, but this is just a quick brief overview of the entire trading strategy. But as we can see for the win rate and all of the numbers that are inside right here, if I bring them up. So over the course of this backtest that we've generated on TradingView, we've taken a total of 166 trades, generating a profit of $29,678 with a profit factor or a win rate of 90.36%. That means out of every 10 trades, 1 is losing, 9 are winning. So it's an incredible win rate. Not only that, if we actually go ahead and take a look at some of the more statistics, we can see that the Sharpe ratio is 5.821. The Sharpe ratio measures your risk adjusted to your return. So any number that's over 1 is relatively good. Any number that's over 2 is very good. Anything over 3 is like, wow, because essentially this is how much risk you're taking on in terms of your profit. So a 5.8 Sharpe ratio is very, very, very good. So as you can see from the screenshot that's just popped up on the screen, I've actually taken the last 2 signals on my personal account. Now there's small sample sizes just to make sure that I can understand the risk, and because it's a new strategy, I want to make sure that I'm actually testing it with live funds as opposed to just doing a back test. So at the moment, it's been profitable over the last 2 trades that we've taken. I'm going to continue to test it on a small personal account to make sure that it actually makes money. After that, we're going to continue this series and actually dive a little bit deeper, where we're going to connect our TradingView using ChatGPT to a automation system, which is going to automatically place these trades on our MetaTrader terminals as well as our crypto futures accounts. So again, we're going to make sure everything is completely hands-free so that we can start printing money literally out of thin air. So that is pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of exactly where we are with the strategy. We've got it from literally a 23% win rate at the beginning all the way up to a 90% win rate where we are at the moment. So I'm going to continue to refine it, see if I can make it even a little bit better. And if I can, I'm going to keep you guys updated in the next video. But probably in the next video is where we're going to be making it completely autonomous. We're going to be setting it up with ChatGPT to an automation system so that we can start having these trades placed autonomously. So if you guys did enjoy this video and you gained some knowledge, please let me know by dropping a like and a comment. If you haven't done so, subscribe as well. If you have any questions about the strategy, or if you have any questions in general, drop them down in the comment section. But on that note, I think that's going to wrap everything up. I'll catch you guys in the next video.